Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you the skeleton creepy cool look to do for Halloween. If you don't know already, I'm doing 2 videos a week of makeup looks for Halloween. I'm also doing some more on Instagram that I'm not showing you on here, so go ahead and follow me over there so you can see all of those. So let's get into it. We are starting off this look at 7:08 p.m. and it is completely dark outside, and I look like a crazy person because I have LED lights shining out of my windows. So, we are doing great. How is your day going? Let me know. So before we slap on some foundation, I am just going in with the Tatcha Dewy Serum. It is literally the best. Kind of working it in as a primer because it makes my skin so soft and so like shiny, and it just makes my pores kind of disappear, not gonna lie. Especially the powder polish. It's amazing. I love their products. Definitely go check them out. Then we're popping on some BC Yensa foundation. It's just like a full coverage mini I got from Ipsy. And we're obviously using our cute beauty sponge. Definitely gonna link this in the description. It's like the best. I've talked about them before. They're the Arceli beauty sponges. Wow, that's a lot of foundation. This shade is a little light for me, but since we're going for a skeleton vibe, I think that's totally fine. Just popped on some brows. Taking the Ciate London Boost Powder and just like powdering pretty much like my whole face because this foundation is like super oily. It has like a bunch of oil in it. So I'm just making sure that it stays in place and doesn't smudge or move when I start applying all the color to my face. Now it is time to pick your color. So with a skeleton look, you want to pick, like, a lot of people do pink. I really didn't want to be basic and do pink. I love pink, but I just didn't. That wasn't my vibe today. So we are going for green. I am going in with the James Charles palette and going in with this lime green. I don't think I've ever used this color, so let's try it out. Oh. By the way, we're dipping into the eyes first because that's what's going to start our shaping and all of that fun blending we're going to do. So you're just going to flick it out just like to the tail of your eyebrow and bring it down to the nose right there. Now once you have it on the top, I'm going to take like more of a smaller brush, which is the same brush. We're just taking the other end and connecting it to the lower lash line and leaving my lid open. You want to make sure you're getting your colors very pigmented so you can see the definition in this look. But all you gotta have is a green color and maybe a deeper green. Once you've done that, you're just gonna take this green on the same brush and fluff it on the tip of the inner corner of your brow, kind of pointing them going outwards. Then we're going to start by taking a black liner and outlining our bone definition. Once you finish that, you're going to go ahead and just draw your nose bone, which really technically can be like any funky shape, just depending on your shape, if you need it longer or shorter or smaller or bigger. Kind of like go for that shape. Now I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and we're going in with that green color and just gonna toss it on to that black, kind of making it look black. Okay, so I figured out that that brush was literally just had black on there from my last video. So we're gonna take a new brush. It's just gonna be smaller. Now what you want to do is pretty much just like fill in your whole face, honestly. Gotta get them lips covered up. A lot of people like to block out their eyebrows when they do this. I personally do not. I really don't like blocking out my eyebrows, but I had to for my last video. This is where the teeth portion is, so you want to make sure that's all green. All I did was just add a little definition and took a black eyeshadow and just with a small brush went over those lines. I'm actually going to take a little more of that black and just go in right here to make it look more skeleton-y. Taking it and filling it in at the top. And I'm just taking some liner, drawing a little notch right here. Then I'm taking like a darker green in the same palette, taking like just a clean brush and just blending that out. I'm gonna take that brush that I used for the black and just like draw it over right here. In like an in kind of shape. I'm going to take the deeper green and go up here. I'm going in with a little darker green on the outside edges. Taking a like super small brush, going in with like a tad bit of black. Then I'm going to take a white liner and just put it on my inner corner. And then I'm going to add some of the white up here. So now we are just going to go ahead and take this black liner and start drawing our teeth. Now we are getting somewhere. Now I'm just going to take more of the darker green shade and just draw a line on my jawline. Then I'm going back in with eyeliner and connecting that. Then it's time for the nose. Going in with the light green. Then I'm just going to fill the nose in with black. Then I'm going to reline the nose. Then I'm going to outline it with some white. Now I'm going to start filling in my teeth. Now this tooth is going to be a little different because I'm going to try and pull it up. Going that direction. We are going to take some white powder and go over those teeth to make them a little brighter. I just popped on some lashes and my camera is about to die because I took forever to film this. But I hope you guys enjoyed and let's roll some clips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look insane. I gotta wash this off before it stains my skin. But I hope this helped you in choosing your costume for Halloween or just watching it for fun. Or if you want to recreate this with me, definitely DM that look to me and I will share it for you and for all my Glam Fam members to look at. Welcome to the Glam Fam if you're new. And let's go ahead and roll some bloopers. Oh my god, why am I our shape? Our shoe? Oh.